There's something really special about animation. When things start to move, things start to come alive, it really opens up the potential to see what's possible in 3D software, especially like Blender. Hey everyone, I'm Derek Elliott. I'm a professional 3D designer and animator. Animation is something that's particularly exciting to me because it really gives you the option to start telling a story in even more detail, guiding the viewer's eyes. You might be interested in taking this class if you're pretty familiar with Blender. Maybe you've created a few different scenes, you're familiar with models and lighting, but you want to bring them to life and create a more immersive experience. Or maybe you're someone like me who's interested in product animation. In this class, we're going to cover a couple different areas of animation. We're going to cover moving the camera through a scene so that you can really feel like you're inside of it. We're also going to make some animations of objects. We'll animate some lighting. We'll also animate a curtain blowing in the wind, bringing that scene to life. Beyond that, we'll also create a looping animation. All you need to get started is a computer with a fresh version of Blender installed, a keyboard and mouse. Once you become really familiar with animation, you can start to get more freelance work and have a lot more fun with this new area of Blender that has a ton of potential. I think you're really going to enjoy what we create. I'm looking forward to seeing your own animations. Let's get started.